Hi children, let's do multiplication tables of 9 today. The very interesting exercise, building of 9 times table, multiplication table. Look, I hope you'll enjoy this exercise. Look at this, a box of balls, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In this box, there are 9 colorful balls. How many? 9. What are we doing? Multiplication, building of multiplication table. Now, this is 9. 9 times table we are doing, so we write 9 here. Good. How many times 9? We are taking 1 times 9. 9 taken 1 time. 9 taken once. 9 into 1. 9 ones are. That's what we are doing. So 9 into 1. So we write down here 9 into 1 or 9 times 1 is equal to 9 itself. Very good. That's what is here. 9 into 1 or 9 times 1 is equal to 9. So how many times we have taken 9? 9 taken 1 time. Let's take another box of 9 balls and put it here. Good. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now we have 2 boxes of 9 balls. 2 boxes of 9. We are building 9 times table. So we write here 9. Good. Now 9 taken how many times? 1, 2. 9 taken 2 times. So we are taking 2 times 9. 9 taken 2 times. What is 2 times? 9 into 2. 9 twos are. Correct? Good. So we write here 9 into 2 or 9 twos are equal to 18. What is 9 twos are? 18. Very good. 9 into 2 is equal to 18. 9 2 times or 9 twos are equal to 18. Let's take another box of 9 balls and put it over here. So we have 3 boxes now. Each box has 9 colorful balls. So we have 3 boxes of 9. Now we write the 9 here. We are building 9 times table. We write 9. And how many times have we taken the 9? Once, twice, 3 times. We are taking 9 3 times. Good. So we write 9 here. 9 taken 3 times. Once, twice, 3 times. 9 taken 3 times. What is that? 9 into 3 or 9 threes are. 9 into 3 or 9 threes are equal to 27. 9 threes are 27. 9 into 3, 27. So 9 taken 3 times equal to 27. Good. Are you enjoying building of 9 times table? Let's take another box and put it here. We have another box of 9 colorful balls, and now we have 4 boxes. Okay? You're going to have 1, 2, 3. There are 4 boxes of 9 colorful balls. We are building 9 times table. So we'll put 9 here, and let's see how many times 9 we're taking. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. We're taking 9 4 times. Okay? So we write the 9 here. 9 taken 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. What is 9 taken 4 times? 9 into 4 or 9 fours are. 9 into 4 and 9 fours are equal to what? 36. What is 9 fours are? 36. 9 into 4, 9 fours are 36. Good. Are you enjoying building up 9 times table? Good. Let's take another box of 9 balls and put it here. So another box comes here. Good. So we have now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 boxes of 9 balls. So we are learning to build 9 times table. We write here 9. How many times 9 taken? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. 9 taken 5 times. 9 taken 5 times. What is 9 taken 5 times? 9 into 5 or 9 times 5 is 5 times 9 is equal to? Good. 9 into 5. 9 fives are 45. What is 9 fives are? 45. 9 fives are 45. 9 into 5, 45. Good. Are you enjoying building up 9 times table? Let's take another box of 9 balls and put it here. So we have a box here of 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Colorful box. Now, there are how many boxes? 1 box, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boxes are there. 1 box, there are 9. We are building 9 times table, so we write 9 here. Now, how many times we are taking 9? 9 taken. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 9 taken 6 times. 9 into 6. 9 taken 6 times is 9 into 6 equal to 9 into 6 or 9 6 times equal to 54. What is 9 sixes are? 54. What is 9 into 6? 54. Good. So 9 into 6 is 54. We are building 9 times table. Let's take another box of 9 colorful balls and put it over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We are building 9 times table and now we have 7 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. There are 7 boxes of 9 balls. So we write here 9. We are building 9 times table. We write the 9 here. Now how many times have we taken 9? We take 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. 9 taken 7 times. Good. So we write here 9 taken 7 times. What is 9 taken 7 times? 9 into 7. 9 sevens are. 9 into 7 or 9 sevens are equal to 63. What is 9 sevens are? 63. 9 into 7 equal to 63. Are you enjoying building 9 times table? Good. Now, let's take another box of 9 colorful balls and put it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, now we have 8 boxes of 9 balls. We are building 9 times table. So we write 9 here. How many times have we taken 9? 9 taken 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 taken 8 times. We write it as 9 into 8. 9 into 8, that is 9 eighths are equal to 9 into 8 or 9 eighths are equal to 72. What is 9 eighths are? 72. 9 eighths are 72. Good. Are you enjoying building of 9 times table? Good. Let's take another box of balls containing 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now we have 9 boxes of 9 balls each. So we are building 9 times table right here. How many times 9 taken? 9 taken 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 taken 9 times. That is 9 into 9 or 9 nines are equal to 81. Good. 9 into 9 equal to 81. 9 nines are What is 9 nines are? 9 nines are 81. Good. Let's take another box of 9 balls and add it on here. So now we have 9 balls in this box and there are 10 boxes. 10 times 9. We are building 9 times table. 9 taken how many times? 9 taken 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we write 9 times table. 9 taken 10 times. 9 taken 10 times. How do we write that? 9 into 10. 9 tens are equal to 90. So we write it 9 into 10. 9 tens are equal to 90. 9 into 10 equal to 90. What is 9 tens are? 9 tens are 90. Did you enjoy building the 9 times table? Now let's say from 1 to 10, the tables one after the other. Look what you have here. Okay? Start saying with me what is 1 nines are. Good. 1 into 9 equal to 9. That is 9 into 1 is equal to 9. 9 one time. 9 ones are 9. See? 9 ones are 9. Next. 9 twos are 18. Good. 9 twos are 18. Next. 9 into 3. 9 threes are 27. 9 into 3 equal to 27. 9 threes are 27. Next. 9 into 4 equal to 9 fours are 36. 9 into 4 equal to 36. 9 fours are 36. 9 into 5 equal to 9 fives are 45. 9 fives are 45. 9 into 5 equal to 45. 9 into 6. 9 sixes are equal to 54. 9 sixes are equal to 54. What is 9 six are? 54. Good. 9 into 7 equal to 9 into 7 equal to 63. 9 sevens are 63. What is 9 sevens are? 63. 9 into 8 equal to 9 eights are. What is 9 eights are? 9 into 8 equal to 72. 9 eights are 72. What is 9 into 9? 9 into 9 equal to 81. What is 9? What is 9 nines are? 9 nines are 81. 9 into 9 equal to 81. And finally, what is 9 into 10? 9 tens are equal to 90. Let's say together. 9 ones are 9. 9 twos are 18. 9 threes are 27. 9 fours are 36. 9 fives are 45. 9 sixes are 54. 9 sevens are 63. 9 eights are 72. 9 nines are 81. And 9 tens are 90.